Philippians 4 verse 8. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report. If there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. That's the message of the Lord for you today. That God wants you to think good things, to think pure things, to think honest things, and He doesn't want you to lie, He doesn't want you to brag, He doesn't want you to get motivated by vain thoughts. And He doesn't want you to live in your thoughts full of waste, full of nonsense. But He wants you to live in His will, to live in His righteousness, and to think good things, to follow His steps, to act upon His words as always in your life. All glory belongs to God alone. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all.